And what's up, guys? It's Josh, aka Olufemi.
And it's Ray over at Ray Visions.
We're here at Lighthouse Sound Studios here in the middle of beautiful Van Nuys, California. This is Ray's place. This is kind of where I'm filming a lot of my tutorials these days. Tell us what you think about this new setup. This video specifically, guys, is something I'm pretty excited about. We are launching the After Effects Freebies mega list at luxuryleaks.com. It's a beautiful list created by one of my bros, Will Herring, out in Australia for the website. This list is a continuation of the previous list that we did for Premiere. It's actually 75 free presets, plugins, and project files that you can find on the internet on After Effects. This is basically a list that's been carefully curated by Will. He combed all the four corners of the internet and put everything in one list, so all you gotta do is read it. I promise you, if you take a look at this list, you'll spend like 10 minutes minimum. The stuff that he found is incredible. All this stuff, it's just gonna save you a ton of money. Okay, so there's a few items that I really liked on this list, and just shout out to the Premiere Freebies list. If you actually type Premiere Freebies on Google, that freebies list for Premiere that we made a few months ago actually comes up on the #1 search result. So
that's kind of pretty big deal, actually.
Pretty dope. Yeah, we're hoping that this After Effects list is just as successful, so check it out. I have it on my phone right now. First of all, the first thing on this list is actually a free After Effects tutorial that I made in Australia a few months ago. If you have never used After Effects before, watch this video. It will teach you in 20 minutes how to get up to speed in After Effects. It'll teach you a ton. And again, there's a free project file that allows you to follow along. Everything that I'm doing in the tutorial is downloadable on the project file. It's amazing. #2, free lower thirds. This is something that, you can spend a lot of money on, if I'm trying to find the perfect lower third for, say like a generic corporate video or any type of video. Another one I really liked is there's this cool preset that allows you to make regular footage look like anamorphic footage. There's more to anamorphic footage other than just having, lights being squashed. Yeah, there's chroma separation. There's a lot of stuff going on. Check this pack out. It'll do the same thing automatically for your footage. Plane path animation, #19 on the list. So check this out. Say you're like doing a vlog or you're like flying from like LA to New York and you want to like represent that visually. What do? You want like, that cool plane animation with like the dots that show the route that you're traveling. This is something that I've always actually thought, oh, this would be cool. I've had to do this a few times for my tutorials manually, but you have it right here, a plugin pack, perfect. Guys, so I'm scrolling on my phone. These effects just go on forever. Title effects, text effects. I see like text extrusion. So many effects that'll help you kind of in the generic corporate world as far as corporate videos, as well as in the artsy world, whether you're doing feature films or music videos. Check them out. There's 75 of them. Tell us what you think. And drumroll. We're thinking about doing a creative meetup here in Los Angeles. It's the first time we've done one for a while here in the States. We did a few in Australia. But yeah, it's been a long time coming. All of you guys that came to the ones in Long Beach back like a year or so ago, it's incredible. We're doing it again. And the location is secret. In reality, we're still trying to figure this out. I had the brilliant idea of having it at Universal Studios Hollywood. But Ray disagreed, and what his idea made sense that there's a cost involved. I think it's like $120 to get into the park. So we're trying to figure that out. We want you guys to tell us your idea. Where would be the perfect place in LA to do a creative meetup? If you don't live in LA, I get it. That sucks. We're gonna try to maybe do some creative meetups elsewhere in the world as opportunities allow, but you need to make it to LA. We wanna meet you here. We wanna see you here. We're gonna be doing a ton of these things here in the area. And I think that's it.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. And as always, remember to keep it chill.
Peace, guys.
The water temperature is about 60 degrees. Servers, we got our